Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js and the Firebase. So today we are going to learn about the create operation. So previously we have a read operation, then we have a create operation, right? So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So previously I think the read operation is little bit I'm not explained. So now I'm going to explain that part. So in the previous one, we have the get index. So here we are just render the index part, and here we have the read operation, read function, which we have the users collection. So if you go to the read one, so first it will db.collection name. So db.collection name is collection name basically for the database connectivity. And here we have the get operation. Okay. So first the data is empty. Now we are going to snapshot for the this is the you can say we have defined the snapshot over here, which we have all the data. Now we are going to looping for each document. Okay, so we are going to push all the elements to the data array and return that data. Okay, so this is the read part. Now we are going to do the create part. Okay, so we have to fulfill the add.egs file. So let me add this file also. So let's go and add this file in the this file. Okay, so what we have to do is, like, we have a form with the action slash add, we have a email, we have a mobile, then we have a name then we have a button add users. Okay, so this is basic part. Now we have to go with the app.js part, then we have to add the create part. Okay, so this is create data. Okay, so what we have to do is, we have a route. Okay, so we will add a route where we have a render add. Okay, the next one we have to route is the this is basically the route where the render part is there. Okay, so it will go with the add. The next one, that is, this is the add one. Okay, now we have the post request. Okay, so this is basically the get request. Now we have a post request for posting the data. Okay, so we have a function that is create a data, we have to create that one. So here we have the create data, where we are getting the inputs from the user and save that into the collection of the Firestore. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code of the create data. So first we have a route add, then we have a request of the post. So whatever the data we are receiving from the front end, or you can say that the view part, so we are going to create, we will call this function create, and here we are going to get the collection name and the data. So db.collection.collection name dot doc. Okay, in the doc reference we are going to set the data. Okay, and if you want to return the doc reference id, you can return that part, or you can return the json, you can return that also. Okay, after the addition we will redirect him to the listing page. Okay, so let's save this and run the code. Okay, done. Let's try to create a add new task. Add new. So email, so rajni 91 @mailinator.com. Mobile, any number, name rajni Chaudhary. The save it and add users. Okay, so here you can see that the record is added here. And you can also see in the Firebase account also, if I go to the collection. Okay, so one more record is added, test 90 milliliter. This, no, this is not this is also not Rajni 9091. Okay, so here you can see that 901 Rashnikant Chaudhary, and here it's mentioning. Okay, so data is added into the Firestore collection. So the next one we are going to do with the edit part. Okay, so we will do the, we have already done the read, then now we have done with the create. The next one gonna be update or edit, you can say. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.